Hi there, my name is Ella and I am but one of the crazies behind Chatty Cupcakes, and today I wanted to take you with me, cordially invite you through some of the orders that I have for this day, one of which is a couple dozen of the hydrangea cupcakes, but I won't be giving too much away because that is one of our programs in our Michelangelo of Cakes Academy, which you should absolutely join because I know you're all secretly looking at all of these cakes and all of these cupcakes thinking, I wish I could do that, and you can. And we are here to help you at the Michelangelo of Cakes Academy. But in the meantime, I've got a couple of these orders. I'm gonna put them together and I wanna bring you with me just so you can see a little bit of behind the scenes process of getting those things done and out the door. You'll see a picture of my dad, who is our world famous delivery man, professional, one of the best. Couldn't do this without him. And I hope you enjoy this video. So right now, grab your coffees, buckle your seatbelts, and let's get started.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue will always remind me of you. Trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get through. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore